मैदान शली हूँ और आप आवाज़ आवाज़ देख रहे हैं। विकसित भारत अभियान के तहत इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ म्यूजिक एंड फाइन आर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर में आज आर्ट कैंप मुनक्किद किया गया। पहली दफ़ा यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर एक बेहतरीन आर्ट कैंप मुनक्किद किया गया। म्यूजिक एंड फाइन आर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट में जो ज़ेर तालीम तलबा है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा खुश नज़र आ रहे थे और हर एक बच्चा पहल कर रहा था कि वो बेहतरीन आर्ट लोगों को दिखाए। इस इवेंट के हवाले से जब हमने तलबाओं से बात की तो उन्होंने कुछ यूं बताया।
So we've been working for this art camp since last 2 to 3 months now.
Okay.
And this is one of a kind because we've not had any art camp as of now. We've not had any art camp in the University of Kashmir. So it was quite a tedious task because many of the teachers had to work a lot. We have our HODs who were, we have the event coordinator, Mr. Naushad Hussain Gayoom sir. So we've been seeing him working to and fro and making sure, and with the team obviously, making sure that this art camp would be a success. And mashallah say we are almost done with the major part of the event. We just have the valedictory function left, but alhamdulillah it was a beautiful experience because our the Institute of Music and Fine Arts isn't as well acknowledged as of now. So this is things like this, the co-curricular activities like this, they really help us in a way that we are able to communicate with the wider mass. Like we have people like you coming here. We have some of the eminent artists who had come to visit us during our camp. It was like a 5-day. Till last year, till 2023-24, we've been here since quite some time now. We have a space Naseem Bagh side se. And I feel that till now or till 2022-23 we did not have as many क्या बोलेंगे ना वो enough place नहीं मिल रही थी हमें to showcase our talent. The talent that our students have, that my colleagues, the participants in the art camp have. So this is very nice in the sense that we have been getting more and more chance and we have been getting more recognized in multiple events. Events like youth event हो गया, संजिल वगैरह अक्सर होता है. So उसमें भी you can see that the majority of the participants are from the Institute of Music and Fine Arts because this is it's a very diverse yet different field. So we have artists, we have sculptors, we have from music, we have almost all the variety of music that there is. Students from there participate as well. So yes, alhamdulillah, we have been getting quite some area to showcase our talent, let's say. Since the very beginning, जो आर्टिजन्स है वो कश्मीर में हम इन अ वेरी वाइड वैरायटी देख रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पश्मीना, इट्स वन ऑफ द क्राफ्ट. करते कौन आर्टिस्ट्स, देयर इज वुड कार्विंग, करते कौन है आर्टिस्ट. सो आर्ट इन कश्मीर हैज बीन वेरी वो क्या ना वेरी इट हैज बीन टाइड टुगेदर सिंस इयर्स.
आर्ट कैंप हम पहली बार इंस्टीट्यूट में कर रहे हैं अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ आवर ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर नीलोफर खान. With a vision that national education policy has given much emphasis on art-based pedagogy. So in order to give hands-on learning and to give more voice to our future artists, so we decided to have an art camp. So in this art camp, it was not only that we have just dealt with the colors, we have also brought our great artists from our own community who have interacted with the students. We have a special session of, even today we have a special session with our Dean Academic Affairs where he's talking about NEP, National Education Policy and Art Education. So the purpose is actually to bring pedagogy, art and critical thinking on one table. So with this art, under the aegis of Viksit Bharat, we are trying to explore the cultural richness of our Kashmir. You might have seen the different themes are on the different canvases with this purpose that there is a voice, hidden voice behind every artist where he speaks about the cultural legacy, he speaks about the cultural richness and he speaks about the unique landscape of our valley.
At least from our age, from the bachelors or once you are done with your 12th, let's not have this typical idea of कि क्या कमाएंगे, कैसे कमाएंगे, कितना कमाएंगे. Let's पहले invest ourselves, understand, and then वो ना आपको Allah shows you the way then. But if you are dedicated enough, if you know how to execute your skills, तो उस हिसाब से there is always like a good chance of you to survive. And art is again, like I said, that it's very important. It's deeply rooted in our culture. So it's always good to not let it die just there. So to carry it along, it will be very nice if the new generation tries to participate and understand art in general.